Me pese me da mo nyina se 2023 mo gina me chipa 84%. Nyame nhyira mo nyina me da mo ase. Pese me ka kire mo se de mo gina mo chino 2026 January 31st. Mon kono sana mon peja na yankodu 90%. Munyina munim se minimum na ye ko presidency no mikodu ha musuma konia ewo ho enti ye nyina na ebedi presidency no kokodo ele de mani ajipa me baton tanon ofa mabafie efie enefie me pese me da munyina se 2023 Mujina me chipa 84%. Nyame nhyira mo nyina me da mo ase. Pese me ka kire mo se de mujina mo chino 2026 January 31st. Mon kono sana mon peja na yankodu 90%. Munyina munim se minimum na ye ko presidency no. Mikodu ha musuma konia ewo ho. Enti ye nyina na ebedi presidency no kokodo a few days ago na yeti anoma bi ebeka nkire say 2 weeks ya akai say ye ko election omo di strategy bi eba omo ne ye nkrofo ye bi omo se omo be didi matem saa omo be twantro egu mi so 2 weeks na wachi mi enu a ebe enti mo nyina mo nye alert mo beti nsem bebre enye no kre omo pese omo sesa mo adwen omo be didi matem sa ma mo mfi omo mongo na mongo to abano emami enya sa mongo na mongo to abano emami we aye koi enye atem didie competition na ye ko omo say omo nim say omo campaign no tonsuyom enti omo say if you miss the ball don't miss the man endi na omo de atem didie eba me hono meso me fi omo ye be focus akodi inkunim January 31st 2026 la osha asema unka yempo omude beshe wenum edidi watem so aka se uye kwashini we mu nyina ade a omo beye mesume ifi omo
we men show
oh there be not a slightest vein in my blood is shaking.
We are sure,
absolutely sure. I had a friend WhatsApp me this afternoon.
Yes,
from the central region.
Okay.
Wasi untimi na no shishino msi mi amu haprabe mada mudidi na ujisho onkala kuma chuni na nothing will happen.
Really?
Yes.
Do you believe sir spirituality ewo influence on electoral outcomes ewa Ghana? Spirituality, prophecies ewo influence on electoral outcomes?
Sincerely, I don't think it will change the outcome, even if the professor is this way or that way. Because the voice of the people
is the voice of God. Mm-hmm.
And if most of the people are speaking this way, why would God go the other way? That's my answer to them. And if we sincerely believed that we spoke to these people,
yes,
and this number of people are saying this, then that must be the voice of God.
In the end, me puti a note be out say NPP delegates across the country wa global info analytics are contacted for the purpose of a survey for Udimbra Yebenya names.
Absolutely.
We are sure.
Absolutely.
MPP
delegate, yes.
Our global info are contacted
because we have the album.
Okay.
We have the MPP album, and we placed these calls to these delegates. These are polling station executives.
Album na munya na numbers ka ho.
Yes.
Omo phone numbers
yes.
ka ho.
Yes. Every delegate in phone number ka ho. from all the constituencies. Polling station level, no. We didn't consider the constituency level.
Constituency executives,
the masses, no.
Yeah.
Polling
station,
absolutely. But you see, they are more eager to talk. They will talk openly than the regional and the constituency executives.
Say, and you do the questioning on phone, via phone.
Yes.
And you're face to face.
Phone. So it's very convenient. And we can call on the average about 500 delegates a day, if you want. Yes.
Okay, let's take it this way. The very last one now, what the results a buy, more conduct a survey between which time?
29th December and 23rd January.
29th December to 23rd January. That should be almost 1 month. In the end, it's about 3 weeks.
Yes.
And I'm years,
correct.
Delegates saying I'm only Kasai.
In every week, 2,500 delegates.
Every week. 2,500 delegates.
Every week.
And a spread net saying across the country, like every constituency.
It is first because the focus of the survey is national.
Yes.
So you don't pay so much attention to the constituencies.
Okay.
So the samples, the regions, Then the system is built, say, okay, we have allocated 2,100 to Greater Accra. So randomly, go to Greater Accra and pick any delegate from anywhere.
Okay.
So we have no control over who we even call.
Who you call.
And I randomly, it will pick from constituencies now or in that order. So we'll say ABR, the latest one, let's say Ablukumanova. Most of the interviews, say maybe 150.
Yes.
Now another one, next one, maybe 110. So it will do that proportionately across the constituency in Greater Accra.
Oh. And not just say for this particular one now, within 3 weeks, delegates from across the country, like every constituency. And yes,
we at the end of the count, you check here, a month for
okay. Okay.
Out of the 276, only 4 were missing.
Only 4 constituencies were missing.
So when I speak, I knew, say, we have covered almost everywhere.
He's the only candidate among the 5. Our best will have 7 times. He's the only candidate. It's yet there. So what say ye ni mobi free tetia. If you just Allready, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, only ni mobi free tetia. Dear amount for ka efa wo ho. Dear ye di watem e wo radio so. Dear ye di watem e wo TV so. If you just Allready ha, me say kawakuma eto yam. Emohu ensheki ema ore enho on the 31st of January. If you just Allready enough, you better wasre what. Many me coordinators. Omoye mako 15 coordinators. Emu 13 etamechi. Dr. Bawumia, me old executives. Omoye 22. Out of the 22, no 20 etawechi. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, me se kawakuma eto yem. Efija Allready enough. Yetawechi. You best show when on the 31st. Meaning, sir, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, you are going to make history. Now, if you just Allready enough, we want to be part of that history.
Number 3. And one year I endorse it. Number 3 signer. Number 3.
Nyamibua, 31st January. Ye koko tuaba. Eye eduro setire dumasi. Mumma yanchira yabakosam. Emre bidia no ayatu ya no. Yenya 85%. Afuwe dia ye kwako to 2026. Mubama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 95%. Chaboy. Ne katira musa aduro setire dumasi. Ye di obi anche bibia.
yɛne obi ane bibi ka yɛne yɛ papa Dr. Allready Mahmood Bawumia na ɛwɔ bi ka wayɛ bebree di ama yɛ ɛsɛ sɛ yɛtoa no so NDC fo mbɔ mpa yɛ sɛ yɛbɛyi Dr. Allready Mahmood Bawumia wɔn mo boaboa nkurɔfoɔ bi wobu sɛ NDC no a yɛn nkɔnkɔ yi wane a mo nkɔnkɔ yi obi na Dr. Allready Mahmood Bawumia deɛ yɛn bɔ didi wɔn mu nim sɛ wɔbi na bɛtuma ba bɛgye tumi ni ama yɛ mesra mu MPP foɔ yɛ papa Honorable Salisu Bamba wɔgyina Bawumia akyi Dr. Samuel Abagida gyina Bawumia akyi me a megyina ha megyina Bawumia akyi yɛ ma me Madam Gift Ndoma gyina Bawumia akyi mo a maka nyinaa yɛbɛsrɛ church first yɛn nyinaa yɛn nkɔnkɔto aba ɛmfama yɛ papa Dr. Allready Mahmood Bawumia ayɛ number 3.
Tumi ne yɛ pɛ deɛ a ɛnyɛ sɛ madamfo ne wei ɛnyɛ sɛ me ne wei na ɛwɔ kuo ɛnyɛ sɛ wei na yɛ tenten ɛnyɛ sɛ wei na mepɛ n'asɛm na mmom deɛ yɛde ne kɔ a wɔbɛtumi agye tumi na ma yɛ no mepɔkyɛw constituency executive sɛ ayɛ hwan a Council of Elders mepɔkyɛw hwan ne yɛde ne kɔ election 2028 a wɔbɛwene coordinators mepɔkyɛw hwan ne yɛmfa ne kɔ election 2028 police station I want you for the call election 2028. I want you for the call. Mesdames et Kassani Bawiya no Moutier. Enipa numu no a omo petu mi ni nyina no omo nyina ya MPP fo omo nyina na ko omo ye na so ba ko pe ene onyankopɔ ayi ni sai awoso ye flag bearer ye free ha kopa ebi bi ba besi akire mesramo Ashanti region as Ashanti regional chairman ade ba ko pe na mesramo Mummayan speaking one voice. Let's use our votes to speak one voice. Let's direct ourselves and vote for Dr. Allready Mahmood Bawumia. He's our future. He's the future of Ghana. So we are going to vote massively for Dr. Allready Mahmood Bawumia. May God bless you all. I love you. I love you all. I love you all. I love you all. We love you.
Abusuafo me chiachi mu nyina ema mu nyina akwa abasronko the mobile ras media GH ene anwumrei me chiachi atiefo nyina minwia osei Anthony me chia oye pa ma akwa aba sanso na minwia Vivian Kuma maame me chia oye pa menim se mu nyina mo ho eye pa abusua ene nso yasan ahia bio ewo platform we so na the reason for this meeting our platform we so and we are going to talk with Patrick Nekpenah, our MPP youth communication officer from Nandom constituency. Ye trainer say obeba na yede na numusem aberemo na answer na obeba no we have to keep the channel on. Enti yene mu bedin komo kakra na ya twen se yenwia no be dan obeba na yene mu nyina age ne num na num nsem atie interview no anyway papa we na ene yene no ebedin komo ewo ha but bibi nti onyama ye twen se obeba na yede no aba platform no so yenwia we na ene yene ne ba bedin komo yi yene bedin komo titire obi yenwia Patrick our Nandom constituency youth organizer yene ne ba bedin komo enti yen twen so beba na meanwhile no abusia ene bibi ekoso 31st January no yesi ejeba eja no anya ba beduru awie bibi a kire se eja no aba beduru awie ena bibi a so kire se yewura Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia ni 70% no obia ntumi nje emfiri ne nsam because oko across the country ye kan PP for ma asem na ye ka enye Ghana for asem na ye ka ne sese ye kan PP for asem MPP for more across the country nyina oni omu nyina kasa 80% of MPP for omo Ghana nyina say yemfa Dr. Bawumia mra enti sa 80% no ye ya we say anya hwe 5% ebe to me I rejected papers anya hwe no 5% ebe to me I rejected ballot papers enti see ye in a worst case scenario say anko ye kura ma Dr. Bawumia no ye ne 75 ekoni ye pa obenya 80%. I'm telling you from here. I'm telling you from here. Now, the biana me can sembi say okotena ba bi. Na wa anka se wonu nu ho. Na wosere. Na odwene say wani agea. Me am say nyama you are just who no na was science re. Because MPP party ko no da ho no was structure. Ye was structure ye dey build the party no. And it's a structure and decide say nipa we na de kwa. Masa, you can spend millions of dollars. You will never go because there is a mechanism. ID party no ewo party ni mo a and then the project whom is supposed to lead us. And the personal issue be but a mechanism be a yaki kambo mo a edi Bawumia ba be frag better because nana meka enye kene Japan na nibere nipa enka Dr. Bawumia is not supposed to be contested mekane ha na anonso bra chempo yewura dutwim yewura kwabena je Japan second Japan anso ye nyina se o contest a nkomo nso nkomo contest believe me but you say wo se ana maame ewu na wo si onwu ye enyunu jo na maame fo nkaifo na chiche nua na ama omo ma eho na obeti uyam se maame waka ba bi ampa ti abusia yemia Patrick wabanti yenko ne nkofa no ne mfa no mra homa no so na yere ne eni nkomo kakra Patrick hello 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 Pati Pacho Temenka Otemenka
Hello.
hello Pacho Temenka
Hello.
hello Aja Otemenka hello Otemenka
Yeah, hello. Can you hear me?
yeah I can hear you very well. Yeah me too can hear pa na wonso
Yeah. Me too can. Yeah,
okay
Pacho me too can.
yeah the yankopo ase apomu ti say
Aye.
apomu ti
Pacho me too
say
can pa.
me say ohun ye de
Yeah.
yeah the nyame ase na yenim say we ye Nandom constituency youth organizer right oh another network problem in any case I think say even a network na shall share hano nkopem say be stable well intimasem na America o trans na wankasa onunu ho na wosre na ubedi ntro a kire say wahu anigye ade bi na ama wosre a ye nyina be hwe wo say wosre but we know say deep in your heart you know say a wa na wa sheda artificial sre na wosre. That is what is going to happen on 31st, which is Saturday we here by. Pacho tieme. Ene ikotie papa no ne message or de bra MPP delegates across the country so monkoto abama no na wuti asem na papa na kan ko timu say ombake say dem owo ekon I say ekon ni akon ni gina ni team. You have the opportunity to speak to all MPP delegates across the country. Na kokasa ma MPP delegates ntie. Na omunyina so emfa nkoto abama wa osie. Mate se yesi se woto abama me a ebetwa udin afiri MPP delegates. MPP delegates want to hear a sounded message. A sound to say you are ready to lead the party. Enye message actually say I send pokwa bi na I semente me ho ase bi na why Ken, why should you have to do that? Why? Message nyansa nim papa panyini yenama yebo dawuro edit delegates say omonto abama yen na sabio ye ba ne aba bepe de party ma party na ya akono ama party na nya ba bia gina afa ne ntoma pa fira aba be ye kra behwe ama amanfo ato agum abe support party me yedi nkunim 2028 no na ye papa we de nam entokwa na ne daso na dwene entokwa fighting with people who are not fighting with you. Enipa ba akofo wa ankasa wo kon ho. Na de e was MPP ni ba bia meka MPP delegate. E was on found 2 teams na akwakoto aba ne se papa we MPP ni ampa na enye sasabronsam bia ndc fo ehye na chi sponsor na adentia otumbe gina bonten kan kire wo se wokoto aba de mana ebeyi udin afri MPP yankan say national delegates abonum na so no nya MPP ni na so no onka the mechanism ewo MPP konum. Canada Japan is actually telling Ghanaians sending MPP for say no or outsider in the party. So for that matter, Otu Abamana, there are people omu MPP for ankasa to me asesa udin e dia free sabio delegates omu abono. Eya niwo ya reho second de Japan etumi nya akokoduro etna radio so eka asem say we dey tie video no tie
that some of you delegates have been told that if you vote for me you will be removed from the delegates album or punished afterwards. I bet you it can never happen. Trust me and believe me that all of you will be protected the D-Day. The delegate album is not a weapon. It is a constitutional record of party service. It must never be used to intimidate loyal members of this party. I do not believe in fear. I do not believe in revenge politics. I will not tolerate any attempt to shrink the party by threatening its grassroots.
Tieni yepa. Mi aba mi be ma wutie me. Ye ni nkomo nko ni yepa. Yentie nkomo akene Japan we di. We the last message Ken edema the whole MPP delegates across the country. Obetna hono. Only message, only asem obekantri MPP delegates. Ama ashe wo nkuna say they are going to vote for him for a better reason, tino. Obejina ho a the papa yi kan say ono ate se ebinom se tio won this man Kenny pa you always disgrace yourself pa oh. You always disgrace yourself obi awo wanya akwanya se woni delegates nkasa final communication ubegyina hɔ ade wo ka kyerɛ yɛn se what is say yɛse wa obeto abade ama Kennedy Japan bia no ye be pam ye be twa wudinim e de free delegates abonum. How can you say so, Kennedy? Are you not afraid? Are you not ashamed of what you are saying? Ode da bia ne ntokwa da bi obi wa no akasa fam pipi ho bia ntokwa ne atemudie eno na onim yemi ana bontu de enkofa ne mra na papa were tebe ne ho adwuma pa. Patrick.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yeah, I think they say the network is stable.
Hello, me too.
Me see network is stable.
Me say, sir.
Okay. Yeah, mo akwa ba bi. Me too nkan ye pa.
Me jo so bra.
Na Nandom constituency what is saying?
I had a boko. I had a bomb pass Saturday anupa. Na enkoye adwuma no fefefe de ama Bawumia. Na nka Ghana nyina so de timini nyina de ama Bawumia.
Inshallah. Na Nandom nye ho na okuja tabra kwanom free ana
Debi okuja to Ablaka Free Volta region.
Yeah, I'm making a mistake. Yeah. I think say had no idrusu no area ho baby.
Haruna Idris Romo Free Tamale. Nandom
Okay.
No Upper West. Upper West there were 11 constituencies.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Na enti Nandom hono.
Nandom Ohona na former interior minister Efrey Ambrose Dere.
Okay. Perfect. Now everything is clear. Na hono nipa na omoto abana na said the citizens no mo hono. Dodo na no party be na omudim. Omudi actually.
Yeah. Okay, emphasis I had the means see and can NDC seat. And now be omuto aba. A friend is free 92 NDC na fire. And I buy a friend is say 96 NDC na fire 2000 and I SSI. And a friend is say 2012 NDC na fire. And I friend is say 2016 and Edema, the papa Ambrose there, and 2020 so MPP Sanfire. It's 3 times. Says the I'm saying kind of great any seat in the chances here.
Okay. One DC for her. Yes, sir. Now, enti abana sana adwuma ye wo hose na city e adwuma muti sen say we ye adwuma dia ma party no in a constituency a MP oye NDC ni na wo DC is we NDC ni.
Oh, na me say kind of great ade adwuma ne edin but edin kra say say seat no me say misunderstanding bi na buy na edit minimum NDC ni for no. I was seat no say yes I any question come for seat no but I mean 2028 you better get a seat.
Dia na wo
2028 you better seat no you better
dia na wo
oh say me a youth organizer me na make actually say 2028 do the market to you better seat no ye youth na ye adwuma mba ni be ma ni nyina ye no mo na ye adwuma na ye ni kwa be first for the seat no.
Anti just 1 year of the NDC leadership no amanfo apaba
na NDC no leadership no omu husu kra NDC for no krompo omu to abama NDC no krompo ye krom hanu se krompo omu no omu ho kra omu husu kra
kwambens o misro de enti omu anu omu
akwese ye de your friend is omu ya ton black and white TV ya ton your white color TV ama ya koto black and white ama ya koto black and white
hey ane enkrofo so omu ni mamu ho anim guase omu ni manim guase ye pa omu timi gu omu ho anim ase ye pa yes one year
oh say say adwea ani your friend is saying adwea na wo omu tremu a mutu abanoma yetu abanoma NDC ni no na omu ndwi say ebia oba ye no adwuma obeye no ebia obetuma ye bia broso de na MPP ni eye no but oba ye no un say yamfa onkoto koja no so unhu de we akoja ne tie
of course
nti say no what na ono no what koja no so ama ne papa so bo koja no so no ye kromfo no ma hu say ebia NDC na nya de obetima abo mo
oh when say we dey asema de so motima go omu ho anim ase jesi in 1 year
almost one between 3 years time was na yasa the seat no
oh 3 years we parting and couple man number and tentem
and use it
ajana sa woni youth ra ye adwuma nso de doctor na adwuma yi se na esi kro de na
oh na me see kind of crack nandom Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia me de me fan say vote there ebia bi betimi asay and right na nam na e kire omanfo say ebia wo krompo say wo bedru na wo say unhu ade kura na yete ballot paper no ma e say wo ka kire omo hwe we no so say unhu ade yi enti ebia wo pe Bawumia ni agent say on fa on kono koto aba no say nye sa ade a ebia voter other candidates benye no embro 5 and bro 2 kura but ebi mo ho a nim say emu na omo na say omo kira your friend say voters no police station executive omo na say anka omo kire the way yeto aba no ba bebre ho a omo anyini omo ntimi hu ade ena enso omo ni the way yeto aba no
okay
enti ena hardly say yes hard dia but any nyina no krampo me fan say Bawumia the whole upper west one shey na dom krampo na be the vote no ya nye 95 there between 1995 96 because na yeah Juma Kennedy the previous election na for Kennedy one and
Nyanto say who yeah Juma Dr. Bawumia right
yes
but
the previous election
the past election
ma Kennedy ma honorable Kennedy Japan 59 votes one and hasi
ntina we campaign ma Kennedy Japan in 2023
yes because kasakasa bi ba ye MP term na because of sa kasa netina ye ho ekodi Kennedy chi but ne say na ye pe Kennedy asem mum die but because of ye MP kasakasa bi ba ye na ye den na ekodi Kennedy chi and as that time no krompo na ye friend say ono MP no na o fa incumbents into voters nyina ko gada ne fie omuko ne fie no pa ye fa foto aba no krompo na ye kire omuso omuko ma Bawumia enso ene ne nyina no ye fa mu nya 59 votes e de ma Kennedy na fi we de ye nyina ye ka bom nti wodwu hu say na Bawumia banya
ay what break story na mpacho asema wo kan wo se mukodi ba Kennedy achi nyese bia na mo pena se na mo na ye misunderstanding bia na ewo mo ampi no
ye MP hantem yes
ewo muntam
yes
enti sabre we no mo ho na mo wo no
yes
ye woni nipa bi mo ho mo ye adwuma ma Kennedy ana se obi anya adwuma ma Kennedy
nipa bi wo ha ye fan se ye nipa na odi Kennedy chi no ye formal youth organizer Ono krampo no
Okay.
de MPchi or the MPchi e previous election no. Ono so no o ye Bawumia. Mat say the aduane nti na sika nti obi wo ho a na wate ne ho. Ye say no Kennedy no mo ni kam no mo frɛ ye ka kyerɛ say o mo pese ye nsan ye adwuma ma o na ye ka kyerɛ mo say ye ntimi. Na ye frɛ ni say adwuma ye ma mo no. Yes, almost come back to my intina na edi omuchi. But in Colana, youth na omudi echino. Ah, ye know youth ni nantino. After ye juma man no, ye nya assembly, ye from one fa call no. Ye show mo crampo a no muntimi omontimi mbo esa assembly nti. Na ye ga tro mo say na me Colana nti youth ni tina ya ye di part nechi. Nti because of that nya ade a ye be ye juma man ebium.
Mm, 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 mm. Na ɛno mo ka saa no threaten ama mo so.
Ai, ade na threatening na ye de sika twa obi tia se na okoto aba na.
Ɛyi sɛ papa yi obi kɛsɛ on support no na wadwa na ɔteateam.
So, bra say enye on na hwe yo.
Oh, ɛne deɛ. Oh, ɛne sɛ yɛnim sɛ yɛn na ɛhwɛ mo. Yeah. Yeah.
Nti e dey threaten you ma. Enye on na hwe ha say sase bebre wo ho a ye do ha.
Ah, mo ankasa mo do didi. Nti
Ye do
enye ah.
Nti nti threaten dey bi a omo a wo hwe omo na obetima threat omo na say omo a bi a obekọ no ho na amount 10 cedis 100 cedis 500 cedis na obetima threat no. Na say me dem ye adwuma man me ye adwuma on the company. Nti ebe si dey na obetima threat here.
Ah. Ah. Na mpacho nti no afuo ya wosan die nti a mfa sɛ die nkora po nti a sese mfa ne sɛ yenim sɛ na wopɛ Bawumia asɛm but bibi nti a ukodi Kennedy Japan wachi last election eti die nti a wopɛ sɛ papa no na medi MPP amanyoko nanim die nti a
Wo de yemi se enka no kra wo hwe a Bawumia ne hoju pa ena more over to the point no wo hwe a few next election of mama omba nti Bawumia ba ebia extremefo na bebre na omotoma NDC no mbega say ebia Bawumia so ye extreme na say enka omotoma Bawumia because John mama ne hopium ena second envani say yempese mbega say MPP no a Santifo party because what they share your two about we na Bawumia anya NDC for besan som omu krampo no mpe Kennedy Japan omu na omu bompa say Kennedy Japan ba na ana say Dr. Bracham Pomba ba ye koto aba na saa nipa we omu fa omu na besan kwagina omu na beba stream e be ka kire stream for so omu anka na party we nya ade omu yema ye friend say Lord na ade enim da omo no besan ba stream esan be use saa we e de ye campaign e de my NDC na your friend is saying papa we so why then or being what your friend is saying in terms of economics yes e bia o kan omega say o na the head of the economic management team but e bia na ono no the way na nko so on drive Ghana kono wan yes sa chance no mo antime man sa chance no. So nyame ya adom na ono ankasa na ebia ono ye president na obetimi aga say say we should there because it's fully under his control. Nti ni nyina kan ho ama say den kakra no krompo no odi boa ye president no say nyina wo ho yetimi police ka free bank e de call mobile money.
Yeah.
What you say? What
Yeah,
me
which is
police
true.
ka e de call from your mobile money to the bank.
Yeah.
What me renew health insurance through mobile money.
Yeah. Which is
Bawumia
true.
ni hono na eni saa de ma we nyina. What you say?
Yeah. Yeah.
Ena ono so your friend is saying o okasa no how to meet man ho dwo no odie wasem no wakanya asasem a kyerɛw.
Na
Nti nyina kan ho ama yesi debi. say a few way there young kuti papa we china into abamana
na pato no asɛm bi bisa wo se NDC for ta ka sɛ MPP wɔ na ya come for party right
sir
yeah and
yeah intenya dia not na be di MPP lim that
yes but wo me wo oka kankasa yie pa wa sent kora no ya na edene sɛ obi behu sɛ bi a wonyɛ sɛ bi o akani timinim sɛ watena kaman mu ache anaasɛ na wo na fofoɔ akamfoɔ ba asɛm pɛ sɛ mi sound sɛ enti wo yɛ sremni na wo join MPP na NDC for ka kyerɛ wo sɛ MPP amanyoko no nya amanyoko bi a ɔmodɔ sremfo a enti wo na wo yɛ sremni no ɛyɛ asɛ na wo si feel
yeah na me feel bad because ye na nam so eka party we hu na mo ye party ni ye say ye ka MPP a na che say ye na nam so ka ho na wo ko ka NDC dia say rollers ko a
yeah voter yes
nti enti asia omo timika say bia party we ye asantefo party abra ye nim say ye na nam so kuma party we e ma party ni begina ni nim sesia
yes sir
yeah
sabre we am say
un say obaha ebia because of me pre anko school nti omukọ kasa na na ye papa mo omo anyi no 70 60 50 years no un say sabre no rollers wo ho no wo kuma say na afro kosi dagati kojo dagati we dagati nti omo no so omunyi ya omukọ hu rollers say nti halfo no na omo pe rollers asem nti rollers baha na omudi ni siche jeje nti ofomi party no nti na halfo no na omuni party bia na omuni say MPP wo hoba na education ni nko omu sa say MPP no krampo na omu belong to eno e be differ omu differ NDC yes but yeah enyini ba no say enyini say party no enyina dia anya nipa ba ko dia anya asantefo dia enyina dia
Ese emfa se mo na nanu ma na sabi na omo ba akaman mu no sabre nso sabi na nipie ni ho so wo ho enti aja
na ni bi sheda ni ho
ani bi enhyeda ni ho enti kwa na amanfo fa so treaty yen kan se yemia no muslimfo in the olden days kwa nkre fa so frɛ nipa nti no na akwakwa se akoye otan bi akamfo ne sremfo right
sa
enti se yenya ndisi fo so na omo de patro egum se akamfo de omo mpem asem ana ese eja na so
no no mo se ukọ kuma se na omo fro tani na se o ndi ukọ asantifo fred dagati ni ana se not na se tani and so yeah timi ka che ko fo ni se ade na se o ko share asantini a na o ko tani sa se so na omo sa se ma wo do a no timi nya aduane dia se wabo
well
na se tani so dia entre se yeah because you see na ye nanti mienu nti and I say then you won hu dagati ni bia ma ono kwa nanti etubo hu so mo nanti omo ye mienu na mo say atafo and I say tap na mo is daddy ni by say tani
but asema me no kan ebi awo background nti no amade we enye how be man wo hu ni say a part of the history right but say the wo kan obi a wan ko school na onni nti ase wo niema bi ho asema wo tumi aye problem kese ama ni say ni pa no ada hu ni say
omo na ya omo pay vote NDC for no pay vote no mo ko ga sa asem we a chiro no mo omo afa ni say party ni ye asante for party but with time going no un say votes no e shase e kosro sesia MPP na ndom ha say 1982 na ye call election na ebia 2000 krompo MPP presidential monya parliamentary krompo enya but sesia no kosro ena ye youth na ye den ya ba no ye educate yen kola no ena obi wo ho a hu se wo a wo ye youth organizer krompo wo ye papa wunti ebia wan hwe yo a ye koto aba a obeto ama NPP anaso o hwe
Okay.
the way a nipa dodo no kono ebia mimi
Yeah.
ye youth organizer say no wo hwe a ebia wo ba me ho no ma me wo boys me wo me madam fofo we prayer a da bia ye te ho na edi kombo nti obi wo ho a politics time no nyendru ye eno so baba on ebia obeba betena ye chen nti ebia time no so no hu say nyina ye wo so kosi a na ono so ya den
No
wadwene
Dimochi. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
nti
Yeah. Yeah.
sana no ha nti kakra kakra wan hwe yi a ebedru time bi NDC krompo mo nye votes wa ha
Uh, 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 uh. Nti se yakase Dr. Mpacho, nti se yakase Dr. Bawumia. Sabio ne breso siremufo anto aba amana na se yenkontompo.
debi say emfa ne say ade no ne mire say ba obi ne time aso say yento aba no ma no because wo hwe a wayade NPP 2012 yakoto aba no your friend is saying young way no I call Supreme Court no almost pay somebody to go into the ballot box no when I bet maga when I now say e be about me or your stream ni and I say on camp party no not just our point my party no or when I na di hu say mini you and I mini wona any ho
We're not there. Yes. Yes.
we're
Yeah.
not there
Yeah.
and they say party number power e ko opposition dia nti nipa we say no akoma party no o kwaji na ho na ko dia try o na be ko jail
Yeah.
what he has here
Yeah.
so he
But
actually sacrificed or sacrificed him my party no nti we so de ekodru say I say yeso ye de yemboa no e ma no no so ye de onye koja no
na se mo constituency ho de delegacy wo ho mo aye krado pa se sabre we de
sikane de ye fede so mo de beba obi abeji wa wo de sika ba de abeji opia omu wo ye mobile phone numbers ni na so opia wo be send this kind of your phone so but ya adwin say ye koto aba no aba omia na beto ama opia fa ba omia opia on fast kama ye one fast kama ye beto ama no
enti na se aspirant ni nyina mo nyina mobile numbers.
oh as far as ni na mo wo ye mobile numbers police station executives kura mo numbers coincidence executives mo numbers or ha no ma send message about say so 31st when you are going to vote remember me and vote for me we only you need one person even you got to abana any say ni na ya dwen say una ye kwa akoto ama na any Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia
Mm, mm, mm. Na amanfo se ye trete mo amufiri north ho no ye trete mo se mo ankoto aba ama Dr. Bawumia ye be pamo afiri ba bia mote ho eye no kore ana se ye party ni nkosenti amo
say no ade a wo ye no se wonim say enukure na wo ye ne de wo pe na wo ye obi na obetima treto adan say nye nkola wo de threat back from wo se asem no se nipa wo a wo be threat ye no wo se asem no because ye de enim de ye kwa akoye ya to aba na sa anya afi we ko na ye kwa akoto aba nti there's no amount of threat a ebetimi aye den because ye adwin nyina say ye kwa akoto aba na mabo bi nti obi na obetimi ama ye threat bia adan na wo threat me wo na obekwa akoto aba ama me
dabi so ko jina box na won kwa na ujina mu
me ko na me kwa akujina box one to aba no nti there's no amount of threat ebetimi aye den ebetimi solve the problem
ese we na ye mo ankasa mo chese
yes
de
say
mo
no
feeli de mo ankasa mo pese mo nye na mo
kwakoye ne Saturday.
Yes, no. When you be a catch, me say no. Yes, no. Me know your interview. Me first, me second vice to Hakra, second vice chairman, Queen second vice chairman to her. Me say yeah, Jumama Kennedy Japan, or Kennedy Japan the previous election. No. But I feel when you be an if you crumple any impina, crumple a was no crumple, impina, and can't chase and go to Habama Bawumia. Yena, I decided, say, no, Jumama Kennedy Japan. Nti ye de ya adwene say ye kwa akoto abana ma Bawumia because any time and ono so ofa ono so be president ye be hu niema e bia because of the economic background nti e bia Ghana be sesa kakra and ono so no bia wa ba ni mu 8 years yanti say wakofa peswa wa ye say because em say ono no bia ye bia no di Quran ene ne nyame ene ye.
In fact, same way the be am kasa same way say ono na ye the only vice president or ye effective vice president ma vice president position kura na be ye DPA kese wo Ghana man because enye ono a nka oba vice president ya wo shedan ye nti wudin e ho a na wapie ene hwe ma me yo de na mo
Any crop on my friends saying this vice president is only ministries. And also, saying the nation will be able to master the ministries. But what would be the effect of ministers or ministers are only them? Or no, not in the office. And all people say, baby, me ye say, ya, obi bet my police car free bank to phone. Obi bet my send his car direct from phone to his bank account. And I say bank account. Obi bet my TV, API. Na ye koso queue wa ha say. Obi yare a na koso queue. Asa na okwa renew health insurance bi asa na okwa hospital. But say ultimate na fie. Now you know the mobile money. I then renew health insurance. Nti niema bebre wa ya ma ya hu. Nti obi say no. Nyame ye adoma no oba bioma. Die because we krompo e bia na oye no ye say anka o consult president Akufo-Addo. Niema we na oye no. So maybe now more visions. But because enye ono enye ne bind because he was supporting somebody.
yeah.
What he has said. So when you send who the what being the choir and the policy they be impenia. And I say bia yen twen kakra next 2 years and I say bia ye ba second term and I say third term na implement sa we no plan won't me country because enye woni president won't me challenge. But this time on our person or no any president this kind of things we are kakra na wa ya ma yan hunu not just say he can bring a lot of things. Oh, my boy.
Na se mo GDS say Dr. Bawumia ba apart from say obabedi party na nim no betumi abedi o man na nim aman na akọ na nim ama ye ho ato
obetumi yeah enye election where ye koye no Dr. Bawumia me can tell say percentage or ye nya no the effort of Bawumia because most of the appointees no not omumboa party no more problems in their various constituencies.
A bit said way.
Most of the appointees no most of them omo na omo ni problem say omo san we no mo seat.
Yeah,
they probably might have problems, but that problems was immaterial.
Okay.
But more no problems, no. They lost all their seats. That's just say most of the appointees too were not helping because ena mobinti ebia ne MP ninti ebia on to abanama MPP because obeso on to abanama NDC na party lusu ebia their MP ni ye no ontimi nye saa power ne ye saa de ni biom. Inti percentage percentage na ye nya no eye Bawumia votes ho na ye nya inti nyame boa na ebia the 4 years time na nyina kwadwen mu say oh ebia sa MP ni ti a metu aba no tu aba Bawumia no ana say party no on ba biom it this time they betu aba na ma the friend is saying party no and if sa votes no be ka Bawumia votes no ho a sa votes no be ka Bawumia votes no onya ye no what say intimi win
oh is that ekita 41.7 dada
exactly. And that 41.7 no finally say MPs few 87 MPs na ya win here no any your friend is saying Bawumia no mo dif sa votes no mai the rest lose here no na she say no you dey free sa 41 point something no it's there are two things either they have problems in their various constituencies and because of omunti we mo to abandon my party to abandon my party no
yeah say you can say after 8 years in power no upewu oni amanfo mo ntamu nkomodie no ebe sha ase sesa e sha ase sesa pe na amanfo sha ase for mo ho adwene
okay but politics na you know I say politics no could draw I say nipa no what done to say bola ewurom bia obi wo de wo betuma accept ewurom bia you can take any rubbish na ye to aba no wia na wo suban na wasan ko fa sa suban no aye den
ashe
na politician bi wo ho a omo wo ho a ye ko to aba no krompo afi no mo ha adwen krompo che the way na omo tie no and they never want forgiveness and omo say because me na me MP me na me minister me penyini we are kola now vote say kra forgotten that numbers your court election numbers na they winning a single vote can let a party win or lose
yes of course
but they don't think of that into basically down winning because what abani so no party no power no you step on so many toes so there should be a time for you to go around and tell the people now I will catch you say oh minim said the my no my born because you know what you want who the family born chemi so when the open here you be yes sir ma we be no you say oh after all or you no kwan well after you finish your film the next person who best step will be told you it's an the co-opposition nti Bawumia de votes na wonye no waya de nyamenti ebia anga na ewo youth ntema ye to ebi mutu aba no tie part no ebesisa by 2028 ebeba form ama ebeto aba na ama party no
asem we watch nipa adwene si asem so pa o na say MPs no a omulusu omu seat no omumom na omu amfa vote amra the president because omu le free constituency o se nko omu ntumi ne form for nkasa
yes
mo omu nkoto aba no bum
yes yeah most of the constituencies no den kra ebia say presidential no wuntimi we ni kra but you cover the gap
okay
you cover the gap but so what lose most of them no you either ebia MP be win but presidential no ebia NDC be ma gap kitiwa bisa but you check this election most of the places MPs ni lose and the gaps now both presidential and the parliamentary into vote be no mo de buy
big
votes be no mo de buy
and I say yeah can a pass dia and yeah na say 41% ko doctor nya na kura na ye numbers e mu etru
and correct sa pepe first time
na bacho
our original ballot first time you say presidential candidate no original NDC no 41 And moreover to the point, no party no. Even within the party, no not appointees, no more yet mama parties in color for no more pet. And he managed to gather this vote.
I see.
Yeah.
Na mpacho asemo ya wo kenti mpese mi so question bi wo betumi ayi ano ana wa yi ano yesa ye beko ya nim
Mate.
o se party no appointees
Yeah.
ene na asefo omo anye
Yes.
omo ni omo anye omo adwuma yie right
Yes.
nti ye na hye wo nkuna nsese doctor beye the leader of the party and as the president of the republic with on the MPP flag. Yeah, the doctor will make sure that the appointees, the MPs, and the other people, no, omobeye juma ama masses, no, and our grassroots, no, atimu omoho in supporting of their party.
Okay. In fact, me more example be.
Metio.
Mimi crew, mimi youth organizer. Boys be pray or ho, omu say men and yemen am fa omo adwuma. But me hwɛ omo a mo yɛ adwuma ma party no. Me ba o Christ na mo say the way a wo boy wo di ho an di kuma party no. Ye be fa adwuma, ye be gye amanfo adwuma. I make sure say saa nipa we omo fa na adwuma. Because ono na be example edi ama ye we ekurase ko na ye go campaign say the party
Yeah.
ni buy no to wanye ye de
When you be yeah.
what you say into it got some time and I make catch me MP ni say wo police station executives no ye ko fa adwuma bo ho a wo ko fa amanfo adwuma e say won di kan catch o mo say opportunity no media mamo say wo na wo pese wo ko adwuma no mu a fine so ba na wo pese on ko adwuma no fa ba akudimbra. Any motivation ma police station executives. Because omo no mo ye okoma for omo no mo ye first soldiers or battalions are the go troop no war no. Enti so omo nye happy a. Ono akrampa o nye happy no. Obesi dia kwa gachi obi so ntoma party no.
Mobile there. Maybe so sound crowd na wanya.
Dey na wanya. What you say? Enti
Yeah.
their appointees no they need to say or no the two mama Dr. Bawumia say and most of the times almost check appointees no be what a friend is say the team man no quite arrogant.
Okay.
He doesn't even know say past na year juma man na ma onye minister no. He thinks say and the one thing or the minister no. Upegu kura yi party card no kura on few kura. Until they need to constantly be checking the appointees because when they get there, I am will swallow head.
Trina hono. Ekese.
Because or a minister, or than no one police dinity, or a minister, then those or more ministers a be crumple minister, no more then lower more honor. You got to abandon a tomorrow. But why minister arrogant? Yes, we him say Timmy dear, a beji. Na nyina baako ebia o land cruiser na wotima wonto feel no wonye impia wonye minister say obehia ase to fuel nti se otimi checking appointees na ebeboa e na make no bebre su kodru ha omo nim say party na ye adwuma ma omo appoint more ministers because without a party anka uni government but they don't even know party boys omo ni party boys second you come more adwuma na you see to 10% asana ye de dwuma ma
Okay.
ye come out dwuma na you see to 10% party new party boy na ye ma dwuma na you see
Party na why campaign na 19 suoma na jono.
alba bra ye be ma dwuma na you see to 10%. We need 10% on here, Jumano. Now, 10% of Trump, and yet, no, would the quack share say, Jumano. Sometimes from Pom, you say, oh, dear, would the Kokosha say, Juma, who receives certificate. Now you take 10% now free, so who receive a certificate, if you take 10% of free, no more, yes, sir. Chinching now, 10%. No,
for Sikana Brands and I work with Juma.
sir, into when it's 10%, obey Jumana.
Now, okay, problem when ho. Say ya waba we youth organizer ewo nandom ho ono vice chairman amu ho. Dia na mo be ya mo be make sure say obi biara o use ni energy ni knowledge ni time ni money in this in doing the Dr. Bawumia agenda no. Dia na mo be ya mo betumi abo ho ban say niema bi say enkonko sibiem.
Say, and America, no. Your friend is saying, yeah, dear, yen omo ye Jumama party, no. Me say, no. Okay, if I say, me free nandom. Me businessman. Me took and cry, beer, and chebiana masamba me chrome 24/7. A yam woha. Into a mom free a grassy ebano. Ka cry it me boamono. Because immediate time be your home. Who a beer one or empia to man, no, a be on Tinaha, on Tiha. Once a while, I over coincidence no as uncle. What you say? Inti, yeah, you hano, yana, yeah, take room 24/7, yana pressure and die so. Time be a pressure and die so. But yet, ye nim de choir, very fast swag. You bet my yama, you bet my handle or more election could draw. No muti walk or car century or more. Because how bound chenya, a beer or pet 1,000 cities. If one yes cannot manocra, but the will be Cassa Channel. Or no, be say yes, scano or hokra, called be man, and also be copy with happiness.
Yes, of course.
If you are grandpa or baho or bow chain, say, or pay 500 Ghana cities. Yeah, 500 no grandpa, or the man 100 cities. Woman 100 now catching a net, a munya mammy. All corner 100 cities grandpa with their man. And so, who call the president of our because not pay 500 one young man, but 100 is out the man on tea. And yeah, job it, yeah, they obey feeder. On who call the president of our Cassabo say, Tama me hunchiri me kurampo. Say, you way na Bawumia. Intene me dini chia e bia dachi me nya asem bibria. And I say asem bi tumi ama me ba no ho obesa aboa me biom. Intene de yenim de we a ye no mo den ekoba.
Etrans.
But government appointees no omo de omo sheda nim sa ade no. E say power and power drunk with the power ma obi kakra na wa dane no ho big man. But power no free ni chair na wa ye low man.
Yeah. Well, I said you come back to your senses.
Exactly.
And no pumpo beba, one or beba, and then by force.
Exactly. Enti bi na ato ye no. Hwe fane say apa we say na ye nim say ye krom seats we ye betuma no so no. Uko so pia say ye to aba no wie no. Wo so bi say obi nim to random seat no so because no mean say ye were interior minister I will free her say. And so ye lusu ye. That's an election. Election. Na your friend is saying 3 no. Ni root na pro da. And to the day kusu kra ebeto fom.
Hey. In some more
Sa pepe and I be a one who be say or ya call out the mamon feel mamon feel. We the voter population say ye youth no. Ye tie ya dan fo asem che penyin fo no. So munima.
Enti se MP ba no no be kasa na wadamfo so ba no no kasa obetie de wadamfo no ka no mo.
Say media obetie ma asem mo che MP no. Say MP ne de onim so was scan. And the mun kono fa plan we kono fa scan na mamo. So o the scan na mamo we ono obekọ akra. Na
Ah,
aka me ne mo na aka me ne e wo ha say.
yeah.
On
Yeah.
the only day once a while. Na me no wo dey it is 24/7. And ono so enye da bia na obetuma nya scam out.
Dabi. Ena nye bre bia so kra na wo hwe no kra obenya no. Wo frɛ no kra nye da bia na obefa.
Exactly. Nti you talk about the mom, you talk about mom. I say almost ye. Let's take a place like Honorable Afenyo Market's place. There's not any election and the votes they call from. Every election be the votes. Since Odebe MP, every election be the votes appreciated. So people should learn from the honor. And then every election be the votes no ekosro.
Mate say yesi oboa boys na oho pa.
Exactly. Yeah, yeah, chrome. But you ready. Or poor boys no. Or yen near mama boys no who say papa we yen to me change you know. Be a onim NDC oni MPP.
But when you Afenyo Markets, na sema obeka. Yes sir.
Excellent. Yes sir.
Okay, upon all this experience, and finally say moho MCE, former MCE, any MP, or more declare almost support to Kobavi.
Oh, money now about me come solid.
Okay.
Somebody no more about me come as na your crumpo ye beto.
Ah.
Yeah, you know about me come. They know about me come. But because of certain things, no, that I mean, free about me come. And I did a support come Ken the previous election. Yes.
And
We
what
were,
size? Mitio kasa.
na yeah, because we were not high. So time na yeah high the cry. Na yeah the plane. Yeah, yeah, sika crumpo the cock campaign Emma Ken, Honorable Ken.
I say yes.
Yeah, say the fertilizer say chair voters no crumpo be what I say. Yeah, fertilizer the chairman voters no so mo to abanoma Ken. Yeah, MP no crumpo the thing yeah na oba fi intem say yes and can be disgrace no. And can be treat more votes at the American the previous election.
Like really?
Yeah, of course. Ono buy no the campaign on the side time no they say oh mutomamia and chebia meje recruitment mejo oba intina akosho mutum say oh after we no obejo
I'm saying on the network and at the call. I'm in fancy akese mame Vivian Kuma Michelle Yepa or say Anthony Michelle Yepa. Sansona na akuya afro. Mame me dasi yepa me wakwaba. God bless you. And or say pa bi I me also akwaba pa. Yeah. And Shona polemics Michelle unsu yepa. May God bless you. And yes, a tear for mwaba. And Techi Fonzi Daniel also Michelle yepa. And Osman Kader also Michelle yepa. I'm seeing you on the network no a disturb on a kakra. Into the ma I yesuru kakra. But in any case, adofo wa opese obe join na wa bisa question and answer opese wo asem kano. Also utumi join bi na oni en adi nkoma na wa bisa asem bi opese o misa yewie. Me pese on samra na me misa na question mi enu mi ensam bi na yemfa bibia mra na wie ye. Enti question bi a wo pese o misa bia no utumi etwere anase obetumi afre number no na yama wakwanya na wabisa no direct na yede koya nim kakra obviously Ghana there your network no nyebere bia na eboa yen nyebere bia na gira na nan so ye hwa na ateko nti yes ebetwe kakra Yes, in fact, nti yasema break kanyina ne say, "Oh, did you hear Petrana Mekase vote na Kenya Japan nya last year no? Oh nya. You hear nipa wo yo kasa yi. Onye nipa bi kwa akwa. Onye nipa bi kwa akwa. Oye youth organizer of a constituency Fernando. Ose last year 2023 hono. Her last election, previous election no. Ono no ye campaign team member at the Makene Japan one constituency. But then he is a Dr. Bawumia Nipa. He's working for Dr. Bawumia. And apart from that, they are working. Say, Dr. Nyankranya 19%, 90 to 95% of Mopediama Dr. Ohono. Because last time, not people were angry for some purpose, for some reason. And then, na ebinom de opposition traité Dr. Bawumia omo de traité MP sahodo no. And for that reason, a man for the nibre ekoto abatia Dr. Bawumia because of ensembino mana Kennedy akachire. But from 2023 up to now, many people ni padodo na dom no bebre no omo ati omo ho asese ensem na Kennedy kan ya o de convince omo no were lies. The na omo dwene se Kennedy baba ya ma omo no were lies. It is a number of votes na papa ni nya ya ema ni ti ehono ye no. Sa 2025 we mu 2026 we mu. The MPP delegates are going to show say they know where they are coming from. They know their history. And they know that in politics, without consistency, untumi nkoba bia. Where ye papa no omumbu baby say, yesi se udun so gu afaako a ene etwa ahuro. E wase kire o. Se wotan ugina faako na wo hyeda mema yi ugegi ho na utugu ho for be say 1 minute bia bo se na ahuro na hyase etu. Besa ukona de nenam na otutugu ba bi basabasa. Ubewie no, ukura unhu se wadunso, momfa ncheme. Enemy expression. Amanyo sem sanity. Enipa na opeso medi amanyo ko na nim no. E wo se unye ne ho adwuma nche. E wo se wonton no ma omo mbeto aba no. E wo se wonton nipa na ma omo for very very long time. Because wasem na wo kan. Enipa na oni ni si akon no. A ono so pe president na babedi no. O kan bi no. No ono so kan de. And say o kan de no ono so kan de. Rest assured say on kan de be ko yie de ama woda. Eti be twantro. Enkopem se entro na opposition ni be di agu so no. Yan kan say yamani nyina ho no emfiri ho no. It becomes difficult to win a presidential election. Because Opa ya say you want to be president of the republic, you know, and throw there, you be di bebre and a dear guso. And in tia, so ye manya ye team Ghana maimua. Obi bia oba be di president biano. Wan sorry preko no obedi ye. Where except John Mahama 2012. Honum. 2011. I think. Onya akwanya bi ebedi Ghana kunya na enam di bibi nti otumi sendi president elect again no. Did you see what happened to him in 2016? Ne nyina ne sɛ amanfoɔ to abanema in 2012 without not even looking at his personality. But 2016 ne ho asɛm bɛgu abɔntene no, it became very difficult for him to win. When we need 2016, he was the sitting president. So when to me win 2020 when to me win, but 2024 or win because na the was saying come from Mahama who be ayaka. And more dear obey in 2012 to 2016 no. Na yaka bre enye juma biem. Okasa airbus amusi ay entro. Okasa bus brand amusi ay dada day. That is the same thing that is going to happen with Dr. Bawumia. Jomahama and Sem na no crew. They were rare. Na yen Sem no kre bus branding and yen tro. Ayen no kre or spending millions of Ghana cedis for bus branding. Airbus scandal. America and UK investigative authorities, a investigation. I can say John Mahama is government official one. He was a corrupt middleman. Na ye rare. Yeah, no. Oh, you can say power PPP, power producing one. Na abanya kototo generators ahodo begum na omone abrofo no twigana fo ma efa so oto energy yem produce ye produce ye news na ye ton ma ye by force na ye to na omoje omo kick back say ensem na amanfo kan fa Jomahama ho 2016 na ena me no so nti olusu abale na enye ntro. But look at something. 2024 beduru ye no na ensema ye no kura esi ya IMF for aka ho asem international papers aka ho asem 2024 no na Ghana for were not ready to listen to those things because to them I came na enye Dr. Bawumia. And someone this for kafan who in a young contumpo, not another day. Just after 1 year, and this for a tia by mono. The Lord of Almighty has exonerated Dr. Bawumia. He has been resonated because and someone Dr. Kanye, and you ma papa yeah, na and this for didn't throw goons so or young contumpony and our bois. And then possible and a wine no. And the Sanya Manina, a babe dabon, say propaganda and this for build strongly against Dr. Bawumia were all lies. Ubisam say, Papa, asema who came me example. Asamba coin that one say Dr. Bawumia can say gold domestic gold purchases program a way I able to solve your problems about our currency and this for say who here omo buy no omo buy institution B, which means what doctor was saying was the right way to go. Yemfa no to nchen Yes, Ghana card. NDC for say it be Ghana card where I go chop. You basalize Dr. Bawumia in every corner of the country. Say Ghana card who here. You will videos in audio ha. Sabio I say don't get yet radio station. So I can't Ghana for NDC for say a more monk Ghana card. This is why. This is because they were trying to do all what they can to tarnish the image of the man, Dr. Bawumia. But then, John Mahama Kroye Bekanchel said, Ghana card is some fasono. Or shall say so, Buba or Reda. And now, no say you can't have any financial transaction. To me, Yesika Sembia or Ghana Maimua. Umfa Ghana card and Kahon. Brother Dr. Bawumia say Ghana card who here essence say oba build 10 interchanges no na NDC for essere no omodi a campaign tia Dr. Bawumia, but then they are the people who are saying that Ghana card is so much important. Bacho timipa Dr. Bawumia sha say now the digital address system eba Ghana. Sami jam radio so didi papa na tem se ho hia. But then the NDC is enjoying that initiative. Yekase yebeka a doso. And Niama papa with Timmy Trans sitting out in a year. And this is for Timmy Cato money did in Trogu so Papano or Contopono. And then Sani money in our backfire. Everybody is aware, say, Dr. Bawumia is somebody that you should trust. Obiati as say, Dr. Bawumia, Obia. He is a solution to our social problems. And this is some nkrofo ekaye in 1 year. Yeah, to me, I realize the say, tra. Think about from now up to 2028. Haptel application ECG for the digital musica. Sabio, MPP are buying ena etimi born a home modern say they wanted to create this software and a hapter for fatu monsono mo create. And I'm sana papa na ye juma e somboa. Omunim se so mo man creditor. Oben win 2024 ntino. Ye kaya be kan se Bawumia the haptel e wia Ghana fosika because haptel you no ne dia and or digital Ghana fosika. Sami jamfunum kan sem we babia. And now me no kasemi ba mi bema. NDC for Kroye catch say haptel an individual company. And just 1 year, and kama na nkasa. NDC for eto egu aponten. I say time is the master. Ebre no mbre no na eden. Eda Dr. Bawumia ni nipa sono nko a oye na di e de kire Ghana fo. Entino bra by 2027 na who the reality of who is Dr. Bawumia. By 2027 na the propaganda machinery NDC for set up building, yes, seriously. Say omode be say Dr. Bawumia no. Na adwide agu. Egusu edwide gu nkakra. Kakra edwide gu. Ene. Nurse for. Anado baye na 2015 nursing omote form omunya adwuma 2016 omunya adwuma anado timi employ all of them ene nurse 40 fi omo so omo tetem so omo nya adwuma nya teacher fo esu and sankrofo nurse fo na teacher fo yete ye they were saying said omo alawa na omo nsa ka but omo nkoto aba because na Mahama promise you omo say they are coming to do automatic posting ekosi say and this all nipa bi ote say na oye more credible oye nipa bi oye formidable oye nipa bi a obi bi owo Ghana man mu nim no oye obi a will go closer to power. Dr. Bawumia among the MPP aspirant and the next person that will come to lead the NDC, you know, Dr. Bawumia is the person who will go more closer to a state power ankasa. Temiyepa. Do one nipa bi to say now so mpeno now kofa obia osisika na owo a rich man obi restaurant obi factory won suom obi restaurant wo pum fifini enti monko fanamera. My brother, my sister, we are going to lose very hard. We are going to lose very hard against NDC. But to me, consistent. Now you signed the Dr. Bawumia Babim. Not the party machinery. I can't say a year Jumaden because we trust in the man. So kwachi to me in family 2028. Yeah, my brother, my sister. No matter whatever will be, say NDC, etia kunyam, no more to me, or more the police, or more the electoral commission. Dr. Bawumia is going to bubu a prayer of NDC. Temiyepa. Say a boy a Jumani yepa. Na it to me a kaya who bomb in support of Dr. Bawumia. We are going to win one touch in 2028. We go bra. Yase kwasia ohoyi. Ochire ni secreta. Obedi Adam. Onipa wajimi. Sa ochire na ante a. Na ohun yo a. Obekọ na odam. Dr. Dinyansa kwan so boabo gold anu agu Bank of Ghana na yesika ne ho ayedene no. Ajimifo no ba ye no. Gold no mo sesa na omoton. Na omoton. Na omo de reserve. Omo de dollars ba system no. Ene okoye gold reserve ho a. Ade ana ya parcel aboabo ano a. Ede akwa akoduru yen kan saying 31 point something% of tons of gold. And that Jimmy Four were within shorter possible time. Omo manako akoduru 19. Omo say omo kwa akoton akoji dollars ya babi go. Tio enkrofo na omo ba omo kan tiro say they are coming to create 133 24-hour economy. Ye ba be create nyuma ama ye annual production apaja konimu na ama ye economy na ejira na nan so na de ye use ya produce no kromu ha no ene they are rushing to go and sell gold sell benye sika e de ama nkrofo e de akofa niam afira no ne de abaga na man mu. They are no more thinking about how they can build these factories. I beshasia produce the basis I hear our minum. And I'm to spend a lot of money in the one state one factory no. Na enkwasiafo for when I'm say factory ni yehu ba bi ewo. but never the omoyo. Head omoye. Common pad impo. Your fact is omo produce part of Ghana. But NDC decided to go out and bring in pad. Said the baby to me the price in the beatuso. Well, omoya akrom for. So we need Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia to come and lead this country. We need Obi to say Dr. Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia to come and lead this country and make Ghana a better place to live. He has whatever it takes to be a leader. He is the manner. Otumini abrofo kwa transidi nkoma abrofo bo munse mano efa de ono beka. Na some people for, especially MPP delegates. Saturday, yankoto aba Dr. Bawumia, we would deceive ourselves. Said the NDC for fast or mudi deceive Ghana for NDC for I ne omoti demo or moose or moon to mean Canabon. That is the same way that Kennedy Japan is going to do to the MPP delegates. Because the promises are Papanadema MPP delegates, no. It is neither here or there. The man has been an MP for 24 good years in Parliament of Ghana. He's one of the most consistent MPs in the history of Ghana. Ne brought na Parliament ho nyina no wan tumi amfa one proposal ankoto Parliament say yenya de we na Ghana for ho ntom. Wanye bida. But for two teams to say oman na ye team. The lawmakers, the lawmakers are and then a parliament. Omo chichire mrade to ye komu ma ye diso a parliament for. And if actually John Dariga Dramani Mahama and I said Canada Japan really believes in creation of job. Nka brought parliament no nka amende laws in parliament ya nka ye the way how he wants to create job for the youth. But you know, as protest omo be pew abubu mfe asewa o how ne wa re ho eda wo so no eno na omo de yeden efa wo no mum tizena brofo no omo ba Africa manmu a ena e ba be boamo ena e ba be oba be wiawo. That is the same thing what Kennedy Japan is doing. And I'm coming to create jobs program, and I'm going to create job. Papa, job will be no be created. If you are the person, we are one of the exporters of employment from Ghana. We are number one. And near Madodo, I'll create Framan on the Bagana, but on Kukonina, pottery, Kuroko for Framan on the Bagana. I didn't tell me pottery farms I can see. Now we employ the youth to show that you have a concern. This is because talk is cheap. Talk is very cheap. So let me go out there. Let me open my mouth. Let me say whatever I want to say. Because people who fell into my trap. That was Kennedy Japan is doing. Now, well, me and I'm so to me, my BMT, young Koyanim. Now, Kennedy Japan, the last message to the youth, to the MPP delegates.
Of this. The MPP was built on courage. MPP was built on internal democracy. So I say to you, stand firm. Canada Japan, I stand for industrialization. It's industry, industry, industry. Employment, employment, employment. Jobs, jobs, jobs. What we need in this country is employment for the youth of this country. So please give me opportunity to serve you, and I will not disappoint you. Let me assure you of something else. Every delegate will be safe. Every delegate will be protected before, during, and after the election. There must be no harassment, no intimidation at voting centers, no atmosphere of fear. Internal democracy, it must never become internal conflict. We will work with party structures and the appropriate authorities to ensure that Saturday is peaceful, orderly, and credible. Your safety matters, your dignity matters, your right to vote freely matters. But beyond the vote, we must think about what happens after the January 31st. This is a contest, not a war. After that day, we are not factions. We are one party. The party cannot afford division. We cannot afford bitterness. We cannot afford revenge politics. Our true task is not defeating one another. Our true task is rebuilding trust with the Ghanaian people. Dear delegates, I'm appealing to you to vote for me on Saturday. What I want to remind you is we are not just going to elect a flag bearer, but a winnable candidate who can give us a victory in 2028. And there's no other candidate than Kennedy Japan. So victory will be ours in 2028 if you decide on Kennedy Japan on Saturday. A candidate that is trusted, inspires hope, accepted, and capable of winning the MPP power in 2028. And I can Ohine Japan, number one, on the ballot remains the only viable candidate to do this. Thank you. MPP adishie esi ahine ne atu ahine fo me mamu nyina achi enye bone enne ebise memenda ye koto aba timidi azisredi atu monim se munye madom na memenda muntu aba ma Kennedy Japan munye gidie wo mu ebise nsema amenemu aka nyina no abra me besra bono me ba mediso amwa nim se meka meyo ya me hia film ho ne mpaibo se metiase nko na me president me make sure say ma hwe party if say edidija hoi eni muna ne nam da bia no basum party asum party eduru mre bi na party no tumi wo ho na okope bibia unu ya one ne ye adwuma nyame ye na dum onya position opa osiko ofesi kabra ko yesi mi pese muti mu ho ase na munya gidie se Kennedy Japan de me ba me nye nyimu me ma obi an koton adwuma emfa mani nti munyimi ni na ewiase onipa bia wani munyam ani wadwuma party ma enye adwuma nye party ma enisika party ma edi yawo nti party for mesrem munya madom memenda ebe muntu abama na me make sure so say obia obekono ye bebo no ho ban a obia ntimi fa ehunhuna emanin ensigns won koto aba ebiem obia obeka kiro se obeyi udin afiri mu no na ompe party ni yi ebize obia wote politics ase ope party ni yi a onka hu se oyi wo firi mu a wayi wo mafiri mu wayi wo abusuafo afiri mu wayi wo namfofo afiri mu general election ye koto aba se nipa we nyina no ebeto aba etiai timunyan awirehiem se Kennedy Japan de onyenyi mu oba se wo pemasemu so pemasemu e party baako e tumi ne epe enti mu nyamadom na memenda mun koto aba no mame e bi se ba bia na bia Ghana force mo de Kennedy Japan ba dia e beto aba sɛ tumi ne yɛpɛ deɛ a party ma monyɛ ma do na menim sɛ mmere pɛ mu no nyankopɔn ɛbɛkasa ɛwɔ memenda ɛma obi ahu nti monyɛ koroyɛ ehia koroyɛ ɛwɔ party no ɛno ne ade a ehia yɛ sesei weisise Matthew Makaran ɛma MPP party nkɔso
na mpɔmakyɛw abusie was baako bisa the Kenya Japan na ɛkasa yi ana sɛ nipa foforo bi na ɛkasa yi me I cannot think far because right here pa yɛ ka nipa ɔde nkyekyɛmu aba MPP party ma ɛyɛ papa yɛ ɔkasa yi yɛ ka nipa ɔde Matthew Macau aba party wei mu a ɛyɛ papa wei yɛ ɔkasa yi ye kan nipa sabio okasa gu MPP party ho a eye papa wo ye okasa gu MPP party ho fi a eye papa wo ye okasa ye kan nipa odi osuro person fansha manfo team ewo 31st January we abato ye kwa akoto yi enipa person fa suro nhye nipa mu a eye papa wo ye oto okasa ye kan nipa MPP amanyoko nom obu binom otan binom odidi binom atem okansem fon de kira amanfo a eye papa wo ye okasa enti where from all this na ye frade bi body language. Let me show you some. I want you to look at the body language of this man when he's talking. And the woman ya picture on Dr. Bawumia kasa. Hey, na they call him. Me bo video and look at the body language. Asam na papa ne kani bia no. Eya adia enkrofo bi na atwere de ama na oka. Enye na koma mu asem. It is purely reading from somewhere. Because se wo ka asem na asem ne ye wan kasa o thought wadwene da utim the opposite wonye o personal vision o personal ambition o personal dream na wo ka ho asem a your facial expressions wanim ene ohunam duana ekura no eka asem no emu ahamu nchichemu aduosonson na wano odi aka 30% aka ho beso he papa we ani mo de kasa ya he odi force bi na ekasa enti na no ka 30% no but the 70% na here the compassion I said the who can you actually mean it no look at his face he don't have it when any ye oni sanimu no oni which tell you say why I want to say odwan I also odwan and why who say obwa he just want to deceive MPP delegates and get their vote no any vote we are. That is where he's going to show how tribal bigot Kennedy Japan is. Look at the images where me say when for you ye na kire me. I said I wako school na wo a kind interrogation. Na once wade na wako kan once yanti ase. Na mom no eye chiw and Paul and a warrior. The obey bia showcase say you are actually making submission. It is not part of you. It is something that is being imposed on you to do. When any look at the face. Look at the face. That is a motieme. Emma sa mfonyini wei. Ene asɛm a wote no wɔ asom yi. Enwene say this man thinks about you. This man actually does not care about you. Obi a yɛne koto ya obi a yɛne no gyina okon kɛse anim ati NDC. Na NDC fo mom na ɛkyerɛ sɛ yɛmfo no mmra no no na ɔmo pɛ. Ba mi bema yɛnyɛ nkora. We are grown-ass men. There's something fishy. There is something a bone. I will say, we MPP delegate. Saturday na epano. We nipa ba kupe. Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia. Order number 3. Hona fa okokro metie no kosi. Na oto saa bana. Why nyame nsa no adwuma. Oto saa bana. Na wakyere sɛ yɛ no kore sɛ wo MPP ni. Oto saa bana. Ɛkyerɛ sɛ yɛ no kore sɛ wo 2028. Opɛ sɛ wo party ne ni nkunim. Deɛ mewɔ ɛka ɛde kyerɛ wa no. Mede mo ɛbɛsi a na ɔkyerɛ Nyankopɔn pa. Yɛasan ahyia bia medin ɛne Mr. Mafo ha ɛyɛ Ras Media GH on YouTube and Ras Media on Facebook. Mede nkyɛ akɛseɛ Emma me maame Nana Akua Afro. I really thank you and I appreciate you for whatever you've done. Thank you very much. Mimia ose pa bi also mechia ye pa. Nshona polemics mechia also ye pa. Mimia ose Anthony mechia. Mimia Vivian Kuma meso mechia ye pa wa me ho eti say. Sa so na mechia Dia Yiga mechia Tachi Fonti mechia also. Me Kwasia Samoa Michel Yepa, Nana Mensa Michel, Osman Kada, Michel Busia, Medobesia, but Obi Epese, Onfre, na Onka, Bibikakra, na Minkrusua. The course are open.
Oh, there be not a slightest vein in my blood is shaking.
We are sure.
Absolutely sure.
Abusian for Musa Dankwase, there is nothing that can change the will of the people. Kennedy upon has lost, and he must to accept it. Enti abushamebo video we na me say mumu bi person fra obetumi afre na edibibia ba na we.
I had a friend who was up me this afternoon.
Yes.
From the central region.
Okay.
Wasi untumi na no shishino. Me say me amu akura be mbada. Mo didi na wo jisho. Onka na kuma tune yem na nothing will happen.
Really?
Yes.
Do you believe, sir, spirituality or influence on electoral outcomes in Ghana? Spirituality, prophecies, will influence on electoral outcomes?
Sincerely, I don't think it will change the outcome. Even if the professor is this way or that way. Because Omar Amuka said, the voice of the people
is the voice of God.
And if most of the people are speaking this way, why would God go the other way? That's my answer to them. And if we sincerely believed that we spoke to these people,
yes,
and this number of people are saying this, then that must be the voice of God.
In the end, me puti a note be out say NPP delegates across the country where global info analytics are contacted for the purpose of a survey for names.
Absolutely.
We are sure.
Absolutely.
Our MPP delegate.
Yes.
Our global info are contacted
because we have the album.
Okay.
We have the MPP album, and we placed these calls to these delegates. These are polling station executives.
Album na munya na numbers ka ho.
Yes.
Omo phone numbers
yes.
ka ho.
Yes. Every delegate in phone number ka ho. From all the constituencies. Omo ye polling station level no. We didn't consider the constituency level.
Constituency executives.
The masses no.
Yeah.
Polling
station for
absolutely. But omo no, you see, they are more eager to talk They will talk openly than the regional and the
constituency
executives.
No, say, and you do the questioning on phone, via phone.
Yes.
And you're face to face.
Phone. So it's very convenient. And we can call on the average, about 500 delegates a day, if you want, yes.
Okay, let's take it this way. The very last one now, what the results, a buy, more conduct a survey of between which time?
29th December and 23rd January.
29th December to 23rd January. That should be almost 1 month. In the event, it's about 3 weeks.
Yes.
And I'm the year say Jumano.
Correct.
Delegates saying I'm only on Mukasai.
In every week, 2,500 delegates.
Every week. 2,500 delegates.
Every week.
And a spread net saying across the country, like every constituency.
It is first because the focus of the survey is national.
Yes.
So you don't pay so much attention to the constituencies.
Okay.
So the samples, the regions, Then the system is built, say, okay, we have allocated 2,100 to Greater Accra. So randomly go to Greater Accra and pick any delegate from anywhere.
Okay.
So we have no control over who we even call.
Who you call.
And I randomly, it will pick from constituencies now or in that order. So we'll say ABR, the last one, let's say Ablukumanova. Most of the interviews, say maybe 150.
Yes.
Now another one, next one, maybe 110. So it will do that proportionately across the constituency in Greater Accra.
Oh. And not just say for this particular one now, within 3 weeks, no. Delegates from across the country, like every constituency. And yes,
we at the end of the count,
yes.
Check here, a month for
okay.
Out of the 276, only 4 were missing.
Only 4 constituencies were missing.
So when I speak, I knew, say, we have covered almost everywhere.
Yes, anyway, Musa Dankwa, and a tresse, Kennedy Pomp Timiare, Boto, and Chineboto, Asia, and so he can never win these elections. I was away any last dinner, Mede Ebejamo. Him says the TB and Copomboa or China. The best sign as she be, but then check and say, I'm a tear for you now. Medamunia say, no more, maybe I'm be an more supplies for me. So I really thank you all for being here with me. I was ever saying short until we meet again.